Friends, today we are again starting with the determinant, and I have given you this sort of question. This is a little bit different type of question, and this question has often come in different organ examination. So prove that a square aq plus bc, b square bq plus ca, c square cq plus ab equal to a minus b minus c minus a, abc plus bc plus ca plus ab. So friends, at first I like to tell you, this is a plus sign is here. We can divide this determinant into two determinants. This is one determinant and this will be another determinant. So if I take d1 is equal to the first determinant a square aq, b square bq, c square cq. This is one determinant. And d2 is equal to a, these two column will remain unchanged, a b c, a square b square c square bc ca ab. So this determinant d, let us say d, this determinant d can be divided into two determinants. One is d1, another one is your d2. So let us start with the operation, and if we find out this one, and we can arrive easily with the answer. So LHS, this determinant left hand side can be divided into two determinants. So D is equal to D1 plus D2. Right? This is as per the property of the determinant. If a column is divided with a plus, बाइफर्केटेड विथ ए प्लस में या माइनस में कोई होता है, तो अब इट कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड, इसको हम दो डिटर्मिनेंट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर ये माइनस होगा तब ये माइनस हो जाएगा, अगर ये प्लस है तो ये प्लस हो गया. राइट? इन दिस वे वी कैन अप्लाई द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट. सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट अस come to the operation of d1. d1 is equal to this. I can take a as common, a is here, b as common, c as common. So I will take a b c as common. So 1 a square, 1 b square, 1 c square will be here. Now we can apply this another one, that is your 1 1 1. This is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, and row 1 minus row 2 minus row 2, row 3. So this 2 will be 0. So now in this way, if this 2 will be 0, it will be easy to do the problem. खूब बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. इसलिए मैं लिखते हैं R1 डैश इक्वल टू R1 माइनस R2, R2 डैश इक्वल टू R2 माइनस R3. So 1 minus 1 0, A minus B. This is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square, I can write a minus b, a plus b. Similarly 0 and this is B minus C. This is your B minus C, B plus C. Now this is 1C C square. So friends, let us come to A minus B as common, B minus C as common. So A, B, C, this is A, B, C is here, A, B, C into A minus B. इधर से A माइनस B कॉमन जाएगा, इधर से आपका B माइनस C कॉमन हो जाएगा, राइट। और A माइनस B, B माइनस C, this will be your 0, 1, A plus B, 0, 1, B plus C, 1C C square. So friends, now this is, we will expand the determinant now because two zeros are here. So this is plus minus plus. If we expand the determinant row wise, plus minus plus. If we expand, this is plus minus plus. So friends, 0 into something 0, either 0 into something, so you need not have to expand for 0, 0. Only one item is here, this is plus 1. So it will be A, B, C, A minus B, B minus C. And this is plus 1 into, close this row, close this column, 1, 1, A plus B and 1, B plus C. So this is ABC, A minus B, B minus C. This is your B plus C. First you multiply this, then you multiply this one, right? First you multiply this, that is 1 into B plus C. Then you have to multiply 1 into A plus B. So B plus C minus A minus B. Now C minus A. So ultimately we get A, B, C, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. This is the value of D1. So D1 is equal to this one. This is D1. Now we will go to D2. Let us come to D2. D2 is equal to A square BC, B square CA, C square AB. Right? Now we will apply this, that is, we shall apply R1 dash is equal to R1 minus R2. R2 dash is equal to R2 minus R3. So A minus B, B minus C, A minus B, A plus B. This is your C agar BC minus CA. Just explaining you, BC minus CA is coming. C अगर मैं कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो अब आपका माइनस सी कॉमन लेंगे तो A माइनस बी हो जाएगा, C लेंगे तो B माइनस A, राइट। अगर माइनस सी लेंगे तो a माइनस बी, क्योंकि a माइनस बी इधर भी है, सो दिस विल बी माइनस सी a माइनस बी. Similarly, this will be b minus c, this will be b minus c and b plus c, and this will be ca minus ab, this to ca minus ab. सो a अगर मैं कॉमन लेते हैं, c माइनस बी माइनस ए कॉमन लेंगे तो b माइनस सी आ जाएगा, राइट. a कॉमन लेंगे तो c माइनस बी, अगर माइनस ए कॉमन लेंगे तो b माइनस सी. सो माइनस ए बी माइनस सी, माइनस ए बी माइनस सी, एंड दिस column remain unchanged. Right? Now a minus b will be common, b minus c will be a minus b, this is b minus c, and the remaining part will be 1 a plus b, this is minus c, again 1 b plus c, this will be minus a, this is c square ab, this is remaining, right. So a minus b, a minus b, a minus b से 3 कॉमन हो गया, b माइनस सी, b माइनस सी, b माइनस सी से कॉमन आ गया इधर, राइट. नाउ we will do, that is your 1 minus 1, that will be 0. So this will be a minus b, b minus c, and a minus b, b minus c. I will take it r1 dash is equal to r1 minus r2. So 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, a plus b minus c, minus c minus a plus b minus c, b कैंसल, a माइनस सी को हम लिख सकते हैं माइनस सी माइनस ए, क्योंकि इधर c माइनस ए, इसलिए इसी टाइप में लिखते हैं कि माइनस सी माइनस ए. सिमिलरली माइनस सी प्लस ए, वी कैन राइट माइनस सी माइनस ए, राइट. नाउ दिस विल बी 1 बी प्लस सी माइनस ए सी स्क्वायर ए बी, right. And we apply this particular property, r1 dash is replaced by r1 minus r2. Okay, so this is here a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, and remaining 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 b plus c minus a c c square ab. Now if we C1 माइनस C2 करते हैं तो ये भी 0 आ जाएगा. C1 माइनस C2 करते हैं तो ये भी 0 आ जाएगा आपका. So again this is equal to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, and we shall apply here C2 dash, this one C2 dash equal to C2 minus C3. Friends, this is 0 1 C minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 हो जाएगा, ये 0, and this is minus 1 B plus C plus A हो जाएगा माइनस, इधर फिर B plus C plus A, this is minus A, and this will be your C square minus AB, and this is AB, C square minus AB. So friends, now we shall here also we shall again now plus minus plus, we shall expand the determinant. So this will be A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, plus minus minus, so minus 1. The close this column and close this row, close this column and close this row, only this will be here 1 into C square minus AB, that is C square minus AB. Let me write full. One B plus C plus A C square minus AB. This will be A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. This is minus 1. This is your C square minus AB minus BC minus C square minus AC, right? So this will be A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, and this C square will go here, minus 1 into A minus AB minus BC minus CA. If I take minus outside, minus will be plus. Here you see minus AB minus BC minus CA into minus. So minus will be plus. This will be AB plus BC plus CA, right? This is your D2. So D2 is equal to this one. So friends, D1 now D1 is equal to this one is your D1, this is your D2. Now D is equal to D1 plus D2. D is equal to D1 plus D2. D equal to D1 plus D2. D1 is equal to ABC A minus B, B minus C, C minus A plus D2. D2 is your A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, AB plus BC plus CA. Now, if we take this factor common, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, now this will be ABC plus AB. This will also take outside. So AB plus BC plus CA proved. So in this way, by bifurcating the determinant into two determinant, you can do the problem. Now it is LHS is equal to RHS. Friends, if you like the video, please subscribe and offer your comments. See you in the next class.